Okay, so next topic is links. Let's talk about links. Links are defining features of the web because they allow you to move from one web page to another, enabling the very idea of browsing or surfing. Links are created using the anchor tag, A tag. User can click on anything between the open and the closing tag. So now you specify which web page you are linking to by the use of the href attribute. The href attribute. Remember what attribute is? Attribute gives more information to the element. An attribute is being paired by a name and value. So the href attribute, the value of that attribute is where you are linking to. So now let me give an example of how to link to other sites from your own web page. How to link to other sites. Okay, so how to link to that site. Now when you link to a different website, the value of the href will be full web address for the site, which is known as what? An absolute what? URL. Absolute URL. So okay, let's continue. Let me give an example of that. Okay, so I'll create a new file. So I'll call it link HTML. Okay. Okay. So okay. Let me say H3. Please check my recent update on my Facebook. Okay. So then to link, I'll use the anchor tag, the A tag, then the href. I don't know the link yet, so I'll just write go to Facebook. Okay, I think it's HTTPS. Save. Let me check it on the browser. Okay, say please check my recent updates on my Facebook page. And when you click on it, it's going to my Facebook page. It's going to my Facebook page. It's still loading. Okay, awesome. Did you see that? It went to my what? Facebook page. So that is how to link to what? To other sites on my Facebook page. Now, how to open a new tab while you click on the link. For example, when we click on this link, it's open on this page, but we want to do it in a way that when you click on this link, it should open another tab on the window instead of opening on that web page. So how do you do that? Now you use an attribute called target. You use an attribute called what? Target, and the value is underscore blank. So I'll put target underscore blank. So refresh. Okay, so when I click on it now, it opens. Did you see that I still have the page opened and Facebook is being opened? Awesome, 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 awesome. So, okay, now, excuse me. Okay, so how to now link to other pages on the same site? On the same site. How to link to other pages on the same site? Like, from you are building a website, then how to link to different pages on that website. So to link another web page, the open tag must carry an attribute called, of course, href. We discussed that. Then the href attribute is the name of the file you are linking to. Can I come again? To link to a page on the same site is the name of the file you are linking to, or the path of the file you are linking to. The path of the file you are linking to. So before we go there, let me quickly talk about the directory structure. Now, on larger websites, it's a good idea to organize your code by placing your source code, by placing the web pages for each different section of the site into a new folder. Folders on a website are sometimes referred to as what? Directories. Okay. Now, for example, do you see this structure, this directory structure? Now, for example, if I am in index.html file and I want to link to about.html file, you understand? But you notice that both of them are inside the same directory, that is the root directory. So they are siblings. I call them siblings. Now, if you want to link to this about.html file, all you just need to do is what? You just write the name of the file. That's the about.html file. It's just what they did here. But for example, you want to link to flash screen from your index file, index.html file. Now you need to go through the product. And when you go through the product, then you have access to the flash screen. So to link to this flash screen.html file, this web page, then you need to reference the product, then product, then / then. So it's just like the path. Now, if you want, and that is applicable to all others here too. Now, if you want to link to to the lg.html file, you need to go through from your index file, that index.html file. You need to go through the product first. When you enter the product, then there's still another directory or folder called fonts. Then you enter the fonts, then you come towards LG. So you need to reference both of them, product, fonts, and then LG. You understand? Product, fonts, and LG. So, but for example, if I'm in LG HTML and I want to link back to about the HTML, you need to come out. You are going back now. You go through fonts, then the product, then you now come to about us. But this time around, since you are going backward, you will not reference the name of the folder. All you just do is just put a dot, just like this, dot slash, then dot again, because it's 2, 1, then 2. Then you now come to about.html, and so on and so forth. Okay, so for example, let me just give you an example of that. So for example, if I want to link to all the previous files I've been using, so let me just create a series of links, anchor tag. I want to link to my description list. Okay, description list page. Okay. So if I want to link to my description list, I'll just write this description list underscore HTML. That's all. If I want to link to my ordered list, All I just do is let me just copy this guy. Let me put a break. So I'll just do is what I'll write what order list. Of course, make sure the name is correct. If it's not correct, it will tell you file not found, error, file not found. Okay, order list. Page save. So coming fresh. Now this is my description list. If I click on it, you see, said your file couldn't be what accessed. So let's check what happened. What was happening there? What was happening there? So there's only one thing. Okay, description. It is description list, not description. Okay, so description what is dot what HTML. Save. So let's go back. Refresh. Now description is off. Awesome. Awesome. So go back again. Order this. Awesome. So that is how to link to different pages on the same web page. So linking to a specific part of the same page. Linking to a specific part on the same page. So to link to a specific part of the same page, the page has to be what long for it to work. Okay, so let me just copy all this because to save my time, I'll copy all these. Copy all these. Comment onto Shift S. Link to specific. Okay. Okay, link to specific part. Okay, so linking to what specific part. Okay, so now okay, let me okay copy this, pasted it. So let me open it on the browser. Oh, I've not saved. Okay, fresh. Okay, so let me make it much more longer. So okay, so copy and paste, 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 paste. Okay, to make it much more longer, paste, 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 paste. Okay, uh, space. Okay, save. Now refresh. Okay, also I go to what's HTML. Did you see that? So how did I do that? All you just need to do is you give an ID. Uh, let me go back. So to link to that, you see, you give in the href you say an hash then HTML. Now this HTML name must have the ID where you are linking it. You see, give an ID then HTML. Also applicable to CSS and the likes. Now if we go back to the top, you see, especially in most web pages whereby you are scrolling down and the web page is so long, you see one button or so that is pointing up. When you click on that button, to take you back to the top of the page. So you can use any name. I'm only using top for descriptive purpose. Now you set each hashtag, oh sorry, the pound sign. I said hashtag, the pound sign, then top. Then you now give an ID of top wherever you want it to stop, and this is it. Give it an ID uh, top. Where is it? It's not. Let me refresh this page. Let me see. uh, top. So let me find it. Okay, so okay, 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 okay. Awesome. So that is it. That is how to link to specific parts of the page. So that takes us to the next topic: images. Images.